Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. D, and today we're going to be doing this little drawing using lines and optical illusion, and it looks really nice. And I've seen in a few different YouTube channels and some other art sites that I frequently visit to, and I thought it would be a good idea to pass that idea along to you guys and show you in the process how to get the assignment done. Okay, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is draw a straight line on the side of my paper right here. I'm going to start my design with a pencil. Once I'm done with my guidelines, I will be adding some ink to it. So let's go and create all the guidelines. Okay, so now I have my guidelines right here on the both sides. The next thing I'm going to be doing to this paper is draw some lines in the middle. Okay, now the lines in the middle does not necessarily have to be straight lines, so I'm not going to be using my ruler. I'm just going to draw some lines starting here, just going to go down, change angles, and see where it takes us. Okay, so those are the lines I'm going to be using for this design. Now I'm going to switch from my pencil to my pen, and for this part I'm going to be drawing just freehand. I'm not going to be using a ruler to connect these lines, and it's a very good practice for hand-eye coordination since I am trying to create lines free-handed, right? So let's see what we can do. I'm going to move my camera up a bit so give you a little more room, and let's get started. Okay, so I made my straight lines on this side, free-handed. Some of the lines I got right on my dots, some of the lines went a little off, but that's all okay because the whole idea is to create this hand-eye coordination. So see if I can hit the mark once I'm just moving the pen. So I'm going to do the same, I'm going to repeat the same thing I did in here on this side. Okay, so now I got those both straight lines on both sides of the paper. Now I start to work in the middle, and that's where things are gonna get very interesting. Because what I'm going to do is when I start drawing my lines, I'm going to angle my lines going up or down, and as I go down on these patterns, I'm going to change the direction. So my lines are going to curve from, if it's going down, it's going to end up at the bottom going up, but if it's going up right here, I'm going to end up with the line going down. So you kind of change the angle of the line to create a nice illusion on your drawing. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my first try. You can see here that I start going down, then I kind of straighten it out and went down again, and here start going up a little bit, and that's how I end it. So now I'm going to do this section and I'm going to do the opposite. Now make sure to start on where exactly where your line is. So this line is gonna go up. now to finish it off, all we're gonna do is connect the last lines to our grid right here. So once we make this last final connection, we are going to use an eraser to erase our lines and see what a connection is. Well, it looks like in this example that I have a drawing that end up with 2 extra lines that I did not have on that side. So, but you get the idea how it goes. Now at this point we are going to erase my guidelines. And this is it. Once you are done erasing, you can add some color to create it to make your perspective look better. The whole purpose of this assignment is to make something new, learn a new skill and have some fun. So thanks for watching. Leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.